In this video, we're going to have a look at an example of how to calculate the total surface area of a rectangular prism. So the first step in calculating the total surface area is to write down a list of the key information that I'm going to need to use in my formula. So I'm going to need the length of the prism, the width of the prism, and the height of the prism. So I can go ahead and have a look at that for that information in the diagram. So I know the length of my prism is going to be 3 centimeters. The width of my prism is 1 centimeter, and the height of my prism is 9 centimeters. So I can go ahead and add that information into the summary. So length equals 3 centimeters, width equals 1 centimeter, and height equals 9 centimeters. Now remember, with rectangular prisms, it doesn't matter what value you assign to the length, the width, and the height, you're going to get the same answer if you apply it correctly to the formula. So let's go ahead and now, as the next step, write down the formula I'm going to use to calculate total surface area. And that is equal to 2 times the length times the height, plus the length times the width, plus the width times the height. So once I've got my formula down, I can go through and substitute the values into the formula that I wrote off to the side. So the 2 times, then we got length times height, so that's 3 times 9, plus the length times the width, so 3 times 1, plus the width times the height, so 1 times 9. So I can go ahead and solve that in one step, or I can go ahead and list it into 2. So equals 2 times, and then the values inside my bracket equals 39. So my total surface area is going to equal 78 centimeters square. So the total surface area of the shape in my example is 78 centimeters square.